So I think the big challenge for us from a Gousto perspective is really find that balance between delivering that high level of customer service that our customers expect, whilst balancing that against needing to have a sustainable operating cost as well. So from our perspective, it's all around how can we really utilise the voice of the customer to tackle issues at root cause, and where appropriate, really drive innovation through self-service, but only in instances where it's adding value to the customer experience rather than just driving deflection for customers. I think for us, it really starts with really understanding the customer need. I think there's lots of tools in the market that allow us to innovate, but what's really important for us is to make sure that we're using the technology for the reasons that actually add value to the customer experience as well. So really drilling down into specific use cases for customers and where we can add value to the customer experience. So we're currently using AI in a number of different ways. So mostly we use it from an agent-facing perspective. So when we're looking at compensation as an example, how can we really optimize and kind of make a unique offering for our customers using AI to power our decision making. We're also exploring different use cases both from a customer perspective as well. So where are those opportunities for us to use customer-facing AI to take friction out of their journeys and make ourselves more accessible. Gousto as a service, I think we pride ourselves on convenience. So when we're looking at what does an amazing customer experience look like, we want to mirror that within the aftercare experience. I think historically, sometimes customers don't perceive the idea of contacting a contact center as the most convenient service. So from our perspective is how can we really replicate our brand values through the aftercare experience. And importantly for us, we've done lots of work to quantify what is the impact of the aftercare experience to customer retention. So it's important for us to be able to make well-rounded decisions on where should we invest more into the aftercare experience to provide a better retention uplift for our customers. So we use a number of different technologies to really make sure we're making the most of our data. So everything from we use natural language processing for us to be able to in real time understand what are the drivers of customer contacts, both from a topic and sentiment analysis perspective. So we use that to really identify what are the emerging pain points for customers, and we work collaboratively with the rest of the business to solve those. In addition to that, I think we have lots of information around compensation with our customers as well. So where can we really find the opportunities to optimize compensation to both kind of create short-term benefit from a cost perspective, a bottom line cost perspective, but whilst also driving a high level of customer satisfaction. $1 million question. I think from our perspective, we're looking at to try and find ways to continue to innovate on customer experience. I think part of the conversation at Disrupt today is really understanding what does that mean for different businesses. I think we've got a North Star of wanting to provide industry-defining customer care. So for us, it's really understanding what's the technology that's available to us at the moment, where's the technology going, and how can we map that into our current customer experience to continue to add value.